In this section, we are going to talk about how to create measures with sum function. It is part of a DAX expression. Let's get started. The first measure we are going to create is the total sales, which is the sum of sales amount in sales table. The second measure will be total cost, which is the sum of product cost. And the third measure we are going to create is the total tax we paid, which is the sum of tax amount. So after the three measures are created, we are going to learn how to reuse the measures. The first one is the total margin. This measure, the definition is total sales minus total cost. Since we are going to have the total sales and total cost as measures, therefore we just reuse it instead of rewrite the formula. Similar thing for the total sales with tax. We are going to reuse total sales and total tax together. Now let's switch to Power BI to show you how to create these 5 measures. Alright, I just started my Power BI. The first task we want to create is the total sales measure. There are many ways to create a measure, so let's try to use the first one. And select the table and click 3 dots, choose new measure, and then give a measure name, total sales equals to sum. Give the name, table name is sales table, and the column name is the sales amount. After you create the measure, it's better to change the format. We are going to change the currency and then select English, and also 2 decimals. You can keep it at 2 decimals. So create a measure and then change the format. Now we want to see the value. Usually I will create one card, put it here, and then try to find the measure we just created. Find any item with a calculator. This indicates that this one is a measure. So we drag this one and then to this visual. You can see the measure like this. Let's do a little bit of format. So you click here, and then first of all add the border, and it's here, and effects, and then choose this one. If you want to change the background, let's do some little color at the background, maybe like this, the background, a little background. One more thing is that this total sales is too small. How to make it larger? So if you click the format your visual, and then this one is a category label. So we just click here. This is the font. You can change the font type and the font size. Let's change the font size, make it larger. Alright, good enough. Next, we are going to create a total cost. So let's try this way. This time we are going to click a button here, new measure. Alright, and then give a measure name is total cost equals to sum, and then table name is this one. So we can use this one, product standard cost. It will do a summation for this. Now click OK. And at the right hand side, we create a total cost. You can see right now the home is this one. Total cost, the home table is a calculator, which is not ideal, right? So what we can do is click drop down and choose to the right table, fact table. And then now you can see here, go to the sales table, and then we can see the total cost at this location. In a moment ago, it was under this table. So how to change it? So you just select the measure, and then from this drop down, you will be able to change the home table. All right, so we can visualize it by creating a card. There's a way to simply just select this, Control C and Control V. See, we copied the previous measure, and then let's change this one to be so you select this visual, and then from the fields you can just remove it and go to here, total cost. This is a new measure we created. You either drag this one, drop to here, or drop to here, either way. Now it's showing that this is total cost. The difference is that this one has a dollar sign in front of it. This one doesn't, because we need to do a formatting. And then click total cost one more time, and then you can choose that it is English United States format. And now it's a color. Now it has a currency in front of it, and you might change the color a little bit and go back here and go to general and go to effects and change the color to be something like this. Okay, this is a total cost. Next measure we are going to create is total tax, which is the sum of the tax amount. Let's do that. So do the same thing. We are going to create under this table. This is more convenient. Select table, select 3 dots, and then new measures. And then this one is a total tax paid equals to sum. And same thing, table. And then right now we need to look at the tax amount. So select this one, which means this measure is going to be a summation of a tax amount. Now let's commit that. If you scroll down, you will see the total tax paid, right? This one. This is a measure. And same thing, we can click Control C and Control V and then put it here. Now what you can do is that total tax paid, just drag to here and place to this card. And maybe we need to remove the total cost, and then put the total tax paid to here. You can see total tax paid. And if we want to change a different color, just click here and then go to general, go to effects, and then change the color maybe to be something like this. So you notice that this is also not formatting. And what you need to do is click total tax paid and go to here and change the currency, United States format. Okay, now it's consistent, right? We created three measures. All right, next we are going to learn how to reuse the measures we created. The first one is a total margin. Total margin is that the total sales minus total cost. We have these two measures created, therefore we just want to reuse it. So come back to here, and same thing, right click, and then want to new measures, and then the name is a total margin equals to this time is a total. Now you can see total sales minus total cost. So when we write this one, you can see this is a purple color. It's changed to the different colors actually. Now control. Okay, so we just create a new measure on top of two measures we created, total margin. And same thing, let's click this one and then do a formatting here. Select English, it will be formatted. And how to visualize that? Same thing, we just maybe just copy this and paste. Alright, so we from the field, when you select this one, and there are property list here, so we just remove this, empty it out, and then put the total margin to here, either drag to here or drag to this visual, either way. So let's put it here. Now this is a total margin. You might want to change the color a little bit, and same thing, same procedure, and do this. Okay, this is total margin. The last measure we want to create is a total sales with tax, which means that the total sales plus tax, total tax. Since we have the two measures created, therefore we will reuse them. Now come back to here, and same thing, we can choose this one and then say click new measures, and you can see here the home table now is sales, because I selected sales, and then need to give a measure name is total sales with tax paid. This measure name equals to total sales plus total tax paid. This is a total sales with tax. And then this is a very important KPIs, therefore you need to know how to calculate. Same thing, we need to visualize that, and how to do it, just to click Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Now we have a big one. Okay, same thing, remove this and then find the measure we just created. The name is total sales with tax. Okay, we drop to here and make it a little larger, paid. Maybe you want to change a little bit of background, make it unique, so we can do something like this color. Everyone has different color. Okay, so the top three are the basic measures, and the bottom we reuse the measures we created. So we recommend you to reuse the measures if possible. And thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy this video.